The sum of all real x such that 2 to the x minus 4 cubed plus 4 to the x minus 2 cubed equals 4 to the x plus 2 to the x minus 6 cubed is, and we have 5 answer choices here. The first thing we can do to approach this problem is just observe if there's any patterns we can use. And I do see something. The expression here plus this expression here adds up to this expression on the right side. 4 to the x plus 2 to the x, and this combines to minus 6. So if that works, maybe we can set some variables and rewrite the right hand side in terms of the left hand. So let's just say a equals 2 to the x minus 4, and b is 4 to the x minus 2. Okay, so then we can rewrite the whole equation as a cubed plus b cubed equals, and since we know the sum of the left hand side equals the right hand side, so that's just a plus b cubed. So now we can recall what the sum of cubes is. A cubed plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, and now we have a cubed and b cubed on both sides, so we can easily subtract and cancel that out. That gives us 0 equals 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. And then we can factor that out. You can factor out a 3 here, 3, and there's a and b here, and there's 1a and 1b here as well. So you can factor that out, and in the end, that what's left is a plus b. Okay, now we are definitely getting somewhere. Now that we've got this, we can set each term equal to 0 and solve. So we can have 3ab equals 0, or a plus b equals 0. If we have these, we can plug in the values of a and b here, and then try to find x, because ultimately we want to find x. Okay, so on the left side we have this times this equals 0. And then we know that either 2x minus 4 equals 0, in which case 2 to the x equals 4, and therefore x equals 2, or 4 to the x minus 2 equals 0, in which case 4 to the x equals 2, and then x equals 1/2. So now we already have 2 possible values for x. Now let's take a look at the equation on the right. So a is this plus b is 4x minus 2 equals 0, 2 to the x plus 4x minus 6 equals 0, and 2 to the x plus 4 to the x equals 6 if we add 6 to the right hand side. So we can also say that's equal to 6. Now, if we take a look at this, we know 2 plus 4 equals 6. So in this case, x would be equal to 1. Okay, so now we have x equals 2, x equals 1/2, and x equals 1. And there's nothing else we can do. We've already exhausted both of the equations we had. So now we can just add the sum of all real x. So 2 plus 1/2 plus 1, that's equal to 7/2. So that's the answer.